Welcome to all. In today's session, we are going to see about soda ash. Yesterday, we talked about the boiling process. At the same time, yesterday we saw the chemical caustic soda. Today, we are going to see the chemical soda ash. Soda ash is also very smart and powerful chemical for boiling process. The ingredients of the soda ash looks like a tiny particles of powder. The soda ash interact with cotton yarns directly. Yes, the soda ash particles or soda ash chemical interact with cotton yarns. That means the cotton fabric very powerfully. It also strengthen the cotton fabric and removes the dusts and pectins. And also soda ash gives the natural effect of the cotton fabrics. Soda ash also used in our project in the various places. Here we are using the soda ash as a boiling chemical. At the same time, in upcoming days, we are going to use the soda ash as a dyeing chemical. During boiling, we are add soda ash to the boiling tank. Once the temperature reached the boiling point, soda ash works as a very strong and powerful chemical. Already we saw during boiling we are using three chemicals. The first one is caustic soda, the second one is soda ash, the third one is soap oil. These three chemicals are interact with cotton fabrics for boiling process. All the three chemicals remove the impurities. All the three chemicals are remove the natural impurities from the cotton fabric and give the natural strength. Actually, cotton fabric is produced by farmers at agriculture method. So, for the potential purpose in human usage purpose, we need to convert as cotton as a usage product. For that purpose, initially we are initiate the boiling process. During boiling, all the impurities from the fabric are removed. Then we are going to get the perfect and pure cotton fabric. Because of this, we are going to use the three chemicals in boiling process. The first one is caustic soda, the second one is soda ash. Today we are going to see the product soda ash. Soda ash looks like a powder. Its tiny particles interact with cotton fabrics with boiling temperature. It removes the natural impurities and give the cotton fabric to the natural and very strong effect. More about soda ash I will post at our WhatsApp group. Now I am going to ending today's class. Let us meet tomorrow's class. Thank you.